This is some of the heaviest hail that I have ever experienced or seen in my entire life. It's going to be noisy. This is amazing. I was mowing the yard an hour ago. It's coming off the house at such intense rates. That pile is 1.5 feet tall. I've never seen so many hailstones in all my life. I've never seen anything like this ever before. My goodness. This is insane. Look at the trees. The trees just shredded. Crazy. I wonder how if Derek's car can handle this. Okay, it has been hailing for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes now, and it just keeps coming down, and the ditch next to my house is overflowing because there's so many stones clogging everything up. It's, oh my word, just look at that. They just won't stop. I'll be scooping my driveway the same day I mowed my lawn. So we're about half hour, 45 minutes after the hailstorm that came through, and there's just ice everywhere. Trees are stripped big time. Each corner of the gutters in the house is a pile of snow about 1.5 feet tall. Just crazy. I was mowing my yard this morning, and now I need to scoop my driveway now. Looks like we got more storm coming, but you go out here and all the ice came down the hill and washed into my ditch here, and we've got roughly about 3 foot deep of hailstones here. It's crazy. The kids were out digging in it before, and it's just clogged everything up. All the neighbors got water in their basement. So far we don't, thank goodness, but just tons and tons and tons of ice. It's crazy. It's like just snow now. Kids clear out underneath all the drain spouts. Just ice everywhere. Never seen anything like this in my life. The guy across the street, he's almost twice my age. He's never seen anything like this before in his life either. Or seen so much hail. Most of it's pretty much pea size, but it's just lots and lots of it. Just ice everywhere.